Family and friends, top of the day. It's Monday and it's time for some motivation. Let's get straight to it. In business, you have three financial statements. There's an income statement, balance sheet, and statement of cash flows. These statements provide a snapshot of the company's financial health and overall value. The statement of cash flows is by far the most complex. Numbers and words are interchangeable. You have to understand timing. We'll get into that a little later. Next is the income statement. For managers, this is a highly significant statement because it helps you identify your profits and losses, P&L. To be efficient, one must constantly identify deficient areas within the business, which is why productivity is an automatic go-to, which is why everything you do or don't do at work is being recorded to identify your value. This is getting into human resources, so I'll bring it back. The last statement is the balance sheet. Now on the balance sheet, you have assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. You see how I initially told you about home ownership and equity, and now we're talking about owner's equity, but if you add home onto owner's equity, you get homeowner's equity. If you have homeowner's equity, that means you have a home, wait for this, and equity. Equity is value, and now you have value and a home. Happy to help. Make it a great day.